Welcome to eTask. My name is Charles Damrell. I'm Vice President of Sales. eTask is a global company. We're in the software business and we sell primarily through small to medium-sized consultancy organizations. This presentation is all about a partnership proposition that we would like to discuss with you. And to make sure you know that I'm here not to waste your time, I'm going to ask for a few minutes where I'll explain and show you how you can achieve up to 23% of incremental revenues in your business in the first year by partnering with eTask. So I have a question for you. What are the barriers that are stopping your business from growing and moving to the next level right now? In our experience in working with companies like yours, we find it comes down to just three issues. The first barrier is how to successfully differentiate. With an economy founded on the service sector, more and more consultancies today are positioning their expert knowledge in your specific market. So what is it that is going to make your business, your offering, different? What's going to make it stand out? The second barrier is scaling up or growing and still maintain the quality and high levels of delivery standards that you set. How do you spread your subject matter expertise across more and more customers without stretching yourself too thin? How can you ensure a consistent level of quality being delivered across all of your engagements? And the third barrier? The third is building those ever-increasing revenue streams, not only from existing customers, but new customers too. And I've got to tell you, if you don't build new and incremental revenues, you will stand still. And no business today, in today's economy, is in business if they stand still. So we're constantly trying to figure out how we can engage with our partners to ensure that they become indispensable to their customers and clients. So as this all starts making sense now, let's take a closer look at what is actually achievable today. Imagine you can monetize and drive more revenues with your best practices and know-how. You see, by doing that, you would get to sell your knowledge and know-how to others in new markets. Imagine you can complement your spiky project revenues with a smoother, new, ongoing, recurring revenue stream. You see, if you did that, you'd get to generate those recurring revenues by reselling a solution that will inextricably link you to your customers, even after the project has come to a close. And imagine you get to extend your engagements. And by extending, you bring something new to the table, something new to offer your customers. You see, by doing that, you get to offer an ongoing facility to stay connected. You become a value-adding change agent that your customer will want to buy from in the future. And ultimately, imagine you can scale up your delivery capability while at the same time maintaining and improving your best practices. You get to guarantee outstanding customer delivery every time. So now you can achieve all of these goals with eTask. In a nutshell, see, we have the technology on one hand and you have the know-how and best practices. By bringing these two things together, we enable you to differentiate clearly your delivery and engagement. You also guarantee the quality of delivery through a proven governance and collaboration. All of this leads to three things: exceptional execution, competitive advantage, and increased revenues for your company. In short, together we get to increase your business success with predictable, cost-effective, and highly profitable engagements. Okay, it sounds a great story, but just how big, how realistic are the financial goals and upsides? Based on our experience in delivering these unique types of services for our partners today, you can expect to increase your revenue to 23% in the first year. Can you begin to see now how 1 + 1 does add up to 3? That's all about you and us adding up to substantial gains. And by the way, the end customer, your customer, gains too. And that is exactly what great partnerships are all about. So who are eTask? We're in the software business. We built a cloud platform. That cloud platform takes project-based know-how and productizes it as a service. By doing this, you get to repeat your delivery over and over again and add to that strong governance and an open collaboration framework. To transform your know-how into a repeatable service, we invented BlueTech. BlueTech's a powerful, groundbreaking technology that captures all the knowledge and best practices and then productizes them as blueprints And these lead to services that can be delivered over and over again and with improved degrees of quality and success. It drives the continued improvement of your service delivery. So what's next? What's the next action? Well, first of all, not everyone can or wants to take their business to the next level. We're now building on our successes and expanding our channel partnerships. And we're ready to invest in those consultancies that have proven best practices in a specific sector. How much does it cost? How much is it going to cost you? And how much of your time will it take? These are all great questions. And if you're asking them, we want to talk to you. In terms of your time and the investment needed, first of all, we will need you to have your knowledge and know-how captured and defined. We will then need you to use our software so you can learn and build further your knowledge and know-how, not only for yourselves, but your company and also your customers. Before you think, by the way, that this is some kind of pitch now for an expensive software system, it's not. Remember, we are a software as a service or cloud-based system, and it all runs on this low-cost model based on an individual seat license. And here's the best bit. If you are the right partner for us, we will invest our consultants' time to help you build your first blue tech blueprint. We'll invest in your success. So go ahead, the next step, we want to talk to you and see how we can create success with our technology and your expertise. Contact us now and discover a world of opportunities with eTask.